the two trend line and support level lines that no one else on the internet is talking about. Nobody else has these lines in their model. You're going to get them right here. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So here is what we have been getting, and it's very interesting. Down from the top of the everything bubble, we have set up this outside tangent line that is bounding our bull trap. And that's what we've been running up against here. And now we're going to need to discover, let me zoom in here. Now we're going to need to discover our new consolidation zone. So what we're looking for right now, today, is we want to hit this thing and then come down, and we want to find it again. This is the type of movements that we're looking for right now. It's just some action along a new consolidation line. And then we can do the rest of our action, which is right now we're up in the corner, similar to the smaller pattern that we got here. And we want to check out this consolidation line, dead cat. Then we want to break the resistance that we bounced off of earlier, come back up, swoop, back test. So if we do that here, we're just looking for a little dead cat swing, breaking this line. Then we want to come back up and do another bull trap and test this. So that is the 1 day forecast, is try to figure out this new downward consolidation line right here. And then a little bit wider look at repeating the pattern that we have set up here is to, once we've established that consolidation zone, it will set up this top part of the consolidation zone. And then our target for the reversal is here. The day is not exactly here, but the type of movement that we're looking for is a bottom, a V bottom into another bull trap. And that will look like a V bottom on the MACD chart here. Oh, this is the daily MACD chart is not quite as helpful. Let me go out. Right, so on the MACD, on the bigger MACD where you can see the swings, what we're looking for now is this MACD to turn over and V bottom on the MACD. And this V bottom will be our reversal point that we hit down here. And then we get another bull trap. So yeah, so just to recap, please smash that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So to recap, we want to immediately today, tomorrow, start finding this new downward consolidation zone trend line. And then over the next week, we want to find a dead cat. And then over the next 2 weeks, we want to discover this bottom reversal point. So for my trades right now, I'm mostly short tech, and I could possibly do some trading and maybe switch from some tech to like some NASDAQ in this area or not. It's not really important on a long-term down goal. And if I do want to do some day trading activity, I'm not going to be doing it up here because this is just downward movement up here along a new trend line. But this dead cat area is a good spot to maybe roll up your options if you're thinking about that. If you get too far down into the money here, you can get out and get new options here. So that's kind of the idea for the for the day, and the general idea that we've been looking for now. But we actually started doing it just this morning on the pre-market activity, as it looks like we have officially become unstuck from our outer tangent line, and we've broken out of our consolidation zone, and we're already down here discovering this new downward line. So I'll zoom in really tight on this thing just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we got our 3 big reactions on our outside tangent line, and now we have reversed off, and we're starting to do lower highs, and we want to see 4 or 5 lower highs along. It looks like the line is about here, so we want to see some stuff like this, and in here. That is the short term, is finding this lower consolidation zone bounding line. So yeah, and also again, this target that we just bounced off up in the corner is the 2008 bull market line from the bottom of the financial crisis. So that's our bounding line at the top that we hit, and then we have this bounding line at the side, which is a tangent line down from the top of the bubble. And now we have a third bounding line that we're establishing here. So then that's how we're getting this movement along this shape. This kind of curved reversal shape is bounded by three lines, and that's why we're getting this shape. So expect to stay underneath this line right now for the next 3 weeks. Yeah, this line should be bounding the little bounces. It should bound the dead cat bounce, and then after the big reversal and the bull trap, it should bound the bull trap, this line. So this is a major line that we're trying to set up here, and we will be discovering it right now or the next day or 2. And I said it would be quick, and it wasn't that quick, but it's a good look at the movements that we have today. And happy trading.